guys, happy new year. Yeah, welcome to 2025. And because I made the resolution that I'm going to be making a vlog about my day every single day. This is one of my resolutions. I'm going to be making a vlog, like a full vlog about how my day is going, no matter how stressful, no matter how difficult, no matter how. I'll just be checking in every day with you all how my day. So today, because it's already 5:17 on the 1st, 5:17 p.m. I said no, I'm not going to start my new year resolution like this. I'm not going to make a vlog on the first day of this year. So I said let me check in with you guys. Okay, so this is me in my room. The funny part of today is that I've not even done anything. I've not even cooked. I just made salad. My sister cooked. I've just been literally here because I sprained my ankle yesterday while we were running from the crossover night, the whole knockout and everything. So we were running and I sprained. So I was in pain. So I was sleeping. I slept. So I just woke up and had to slice the salad. Myself was already exhausted from cooking, and now slice the salad. So this is me now active now. Okay. So I want to go and bathe. 5:17 p.m. morning bath. I'll bathe, I'll make my bed, yeah. I would nothing, fix my room, sweep my room, and that's basically it. So let's get to work. Yes, I'll take you guys along. So this is what the vlog is. Let's go. Can you imagine now? Here we go morning, like here we go breakfast, real lunch. But I've not brushed my teeth. My 5:17 p.m. Come on, but well. That's not the hygienic or to eat without brushing your teeth. So I'm done with brushing my teeth. This is me going to boil water because my weather at the Oko Mojoy, I must bathe with hot water. I have this skeptical about going abroad because you were to boom. Yeah, bro, whining. You wake it because I don't feel good with cold. So the camera come now. So I said, let me come and make my nature corner. Let me now utilize that time and come and make my bed and arrange my room in hotter. Because time, they say, is money. So that's what I was saying about me and hot water. I hate cold. Like I don't like cold at all. When home now, I heat now. I must go and boil water. So can men obodo yibo. When I airport can go away freeze. No, this point is very, very valid. Don't they matter? I'm just saying it because it is valid. I don't like cannot coexist with cold. So I said no country now that joy like that. That's why time you go to obodo yiba. Ona abacha market bisha. Mana, let's be going first. So you go to invest ourselves some number go take I try our luck. But I'm too scared about this. I'll not lie. So this seems to be my room. Those bags under the table, my laundry. The dry cleaner could say yes, so yeah, and I go. So I'm waiting for them to come back because I cannot wash those clothes. They had very, very heavy. Yes. So let me go and check if my hot water is already done. Of course. Also go. So as an evil girl that I am, see how I'm going to bring down this water with my bare hands. Clothes care, book care, no now. Boom. Ezibote ajepako. Like, see now, it's not even hot in my hand. When I come and try it, go shapugaka. So, let me go and bathe. The time here should be around but then let's go and bathe. Please, oh, my environment, my house is not Instagrammable. My mom gonna have you now at least. When I now move into an Instagrammable house, if I look back, I'll say, oh, this was the days of my little beginning. Don't play. So let's bathe, Jarray. Okay. I'm done bathing here. It got darker, but then I will go maru, wore back my clothes because I don't tie wrapper. No, I don't have wrapper. Not that I don't tie wrapper. I will tie because nobody's here to tell me don't tie wrapper in my house. So and all that. So I brought out the clothes I want to wear. Look at the clothes here. And then do my little, Chimo, do my little skincare. I love when they do skincare. This face don't agree get better, even though with all the skincare and everything. So what's happening? So I'll just be doing it like that. Okay, so this is me trying to wear my clothes. Why did this stop moving fast here? Yeah. Oh, Chimo. Okay, Jesus Christ, I'm showing my tummy. Why? Okay, that clothes was a wrong one. I thought it was my trousers, so I had to take it back. Don't mind my wardrobe is scattered. Yes, thank you. Don't remind me. So I brought out the supposed clothes I thought that I brought out before. Yeah, but that trouser. So that's what I'm going to wear. So I'm done wearing the clothes. I shifted because I'm going to see this in the camera. Yeah, so I had to shift before I came. So I had to put it inside that laundry. Okay, the one in white is the light clothes. The one in white is the heavy one. The one in black is the light one. I'm waiting for the cleaner to come back to give them the one in white. Okay, so I'm done here. So fast. Okay, apply your body mist. Say so, my boy. Even if I'm inside the house, I need to smell good because hey, Pep Boss for one reason. So I applied my body spray. Just body spray, because perfumes for what I'm not going out. So I'm done. Let me look beautiful for my room. So I brought down my what now? Okay, my laptop. Let me check what I don't even know. It's low. Let me charge it. I don't know what I'm checking. So that's basically it. So this is the first vlog for the year. So like, comment, share and follow. Bye bye.